Hello VR viewers and welcome to an unboxing and walkthrough assembly. Here we have the AMZ solar-powered bird bath fountain from Amazon. We thought this could be useful to someone who is more of a visual learner to actually see the walkthrough from an assembling point of view, and we might try to do more of these in the future. Included in the box are instructions, the solar panel pump, which has no on and off switch. It starts to run the moment the solar panel receives full sunlight. This is only a 3.5 watt solar panel. It has to have complete sun in order for it to run. Partial sun will only cause it to trickle. It contains 3 teal plastic tiered plates, 2 taller tower columns, the fountain topper, a silicone ring, and an additional column for the top part. On the back of the box there is also an image instruction if reading isn't your strong suit yet. We started by installing the largest plate and one of the long columns. We stacked the next smallest dish and screwed that into the next column to attach the two, and then the smallest dish and the smallest column, which then get screwed together to make up the 3 tiers. Take the fountain top or nozzle and place the yellow nozzle cover on top. So, In order for the pump to do its thing, we had to submerge it into a deeper bird bath, and since it's lightweight plastic, we had to weigh it down with rocks that we actually got from the gem mining sluice a few videos back, and it works really well. The silicone ring is not included on the back pictograph, but we guessed that it should help seal in the water on the bottom, so we install that. Then we added water. In our description, we'll have an affiliate link there if you want to purchase this item. If you enjoyed watching, click the like button, and thank you for joining us here at VR Virtual Studio.